Assalamu alaikum everyone. So here we have the same paper, May June 2020, paper 51, question number 4, and the question is of the topic combinations. In a music competition, there are 8 pianists, 4 guitarists, and 6 violinists. So I'm going to use P, G, and V for this. Okay, 7 of these musicians will be selected to go through the final. Total number of musicians are 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. Out of which you have to select a team of 7 people. How many different selections of 7 finalists can be made? 7 people who will go in the final can be made if there must be at least 2 pianists. कम से कम दो. At least one guitarist. कम से कम एक guitarist भी हो. And more violinists than guitarists. More V's than G's. Okay. First thing is that you need at least 2 P's over here. So 2P. You need at least one G. So obviously 3 people are selected. Now 4 are left. So 4 V's will come. This is a team of 7 people, and this is one possible combination, one possible selection. All right. Then, as the question also mentions that number of V's must be greater than the number of G's. So I can take 3 V's as well. All right. So at least one G. At least one G means you can have 2 G's as well. So 3 plus 2 is giving you 5. 5 people are selected. What is left? 2 P's. And yes, it meets the condition. There must be at least 2 P's in the team. All right. This is the second possibility. The third one, 4V, 3V, let's take 2V. 2 V's in the team, and V's must be greater than G's. So 1G, because 2 is greater than 1. 2G नहीं आ सकते. 2G नहीं आ सकते अगर आपने 2V ले लिए हैं. सिंपल सी बात है. I mean, you have taken 2 V's, so you cannot take 2 G's now, because number of V's must be greater than number of G's. So how many people are selected already? 2 plus 1, 3, and 4 P's are left. So 4P. What else? What else do we have? What else combination can be possible? Uh, Number of V's must be greater than the number of G's. All right. And I mean, if there is one V, so obviously you have to take 0 G's. But you need to take at least one G, right? So this combination won't be possible. What else? If there are 3 P's in the team, 3 P's in the team, and 1G in the team, 1G in the team. Oh, how many people are selected? 4 are selected. 3 are left, so 3 V's can be there. These are the possible uh, group of people you can select, such that altogether you have 7 members in the team, and these satisfy all of your conditions over here. Okay. So 3P, 1G, and 3V. Yeah, it's satisfying my all conditions. At least 2 P's must be there, at least 1G must be there, and number of V's must be greater than the number of G's. So let's, अब जिंदगी आसान बना दी हमने आपकी. अब आप सिंपली क्या करें, कॉम्बिनेशंस लगा दें इसमें. Okay, so 2 P's you want to select out of 8 P's. So 8C2, 8 choose 2 selection combination लगेगी यहाँ पे. All right, 8C2 multiply by 1G. How many G's are there? 4. 4C1. And how many V's do I have? 6. 6C4. Because out of 6, I have to select 4 in the first combination. Then in the second one, I have 2 P's. So 8C2. Then 2 G's, meaning 4C2. And then 6 V's, out of which you have to select 3. You have total 6 V's. You have to select 3. 6C3. In the third group, I mean, first two groups are done. In the third group, 4 P's are there. So 8C4, 8 choose 4, and 1G, so 4C1, and then you have 2 V's, so 6C2. ओके, और उसके बाद थ्री पीज आर देयर, सो 8C3, and one G is there, so 4C1, and 6, you have total 6 V's and you have to select 3, 6C3. Just multiply each of these, I mean get the answer of each of the groups. First one is 8C2 multiplied by 4C1 multiplied by 6C4. This is 1680. The first answer is 1680. I'm writing it over here, okay? 1680. The second answer is, I mean, this is the first answer. The second is 8C2 multiplied by 4C2 multiplied by 6C3. This is 3360. The third group is giving you 8C4 multiplied by 4C1 multiplied by 6C2. 4200. The last one, 8C3 multiplied by 4C1 multiplied by 6C3. मतलब कहने का ये कि एक बार सिनेरियो समझ में आ जाएगा ना, दिमाग में बैठ जाए कि यार के क्या चल रहा है इस सवाल के अंदर, तो आराम से आप एक बार पिक कर लो, आराम से सवाल सॉल्व हो जाएगा, फिर कोई मसला ही नहीं है. सो इट इज मोस्ट रिकमेंडेड टू पिक अप द परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन क्वेश्चंस इन द एंड. ठीक है, ताकि उसमें सोचना थोड़ा पड़ता है, उसमें दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है. 4480. The last one is 4480. So 4480 plus 4200 plus 3360 plus 1680. 13720 are the possible different selections. All right. आसान है.